Welcome to our exploration of project management. Project management is the art of bringing a project to life. It's a structured approach to achieving specific goals and objectives. Think of it as a roadmap to success, guiding a project from its initial idea to its final completion. Project management involves various interconnected phases, each crucial to a project's successful outcome. These phases represent a step-by-step process, ensuring that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required standards. From defining the project scope to managing resources and risks, every step is carefully planned and executed. This structured approach helps teams stay organized, focused, and efficient throughout the project lifecycle. Understanding these fundamental phases is crucial for both new project managers and students. It provides a framework for approaching any project, regardless of its size or complexity. Mastering these concepts empowers individuals to effectively manage projects, ensuring they meet their objectives and deliver value. Let's delve into the initiation phase, where a project takes its first breath. It's the stage where the project's purpose and feasibility are defined. This involves identifying the project's objectives, scope, stakeholders, and initial budget considerations. A crucial step in this phase is creating a project charter, a document that formally authorizes the project and outlines its key elements. The project charter serves as a reference point throughout the project lifecycle. It helps to ensure that everyone involved understands the project's goals, boundaries, and constraints. A well-defined project charter is essential for setting a clear direction and preventing scope creep. For example, imagine a team tasked with developing a new mobile application. During initiation, they would define objectives like target audience, app features, and launch date. They would also outline the project scope, including the platforms the app would run on and any integrations with existing systems. This initial planning sets the foundation for a successful project. Moving on to the planning phase, where the project's roadmap is drawn. It involves creating a detailed plan that outlines the project's activities, timelines, resources, and budget. This phase requires meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that all aspects of the project are accounted for. Key activities include developing a work breakdown structure, WBS, creating a project schedule, and allocating resources. The WBS breaks down the project into smaller, manageable tasks, making it easier to estimate time and resource requirements. The project schedule outlines the sequence of tasks and their dependencies, providing a clear timeline for completion. Resource allocation involves assigning the right people and materials to each task, ensuring efficient execution. To illustrate, in our mobile app development example, the planning phase would involve creating a WBS that outlines tasks like UI/UX design, coding, testing, and deployment. A project schedule would define deadlines for each task, considering dependencies like completing the design before starting coding. The team would also allocate developers, designers, and testers according to their expertise and availability. Finally, let's explore the execution phase, where the project plan is put into action. It involves coordinating people, resources, and tasks to achieve the project objectives. Effective communication and collaboration are crucial during this phase to ensure smooth progress. This stage often involves regular team meetings, progress reports, and risk management activities. Team members work together to complete their assigned tasks according to the project plan. The project manager monitors progress, addresses any challenges, and ensures that the project stays on track. Effective communication channels are essential for keeping everyone informed, resolving issues promptly, and maintaining momentum. Continuing with our mobile app example, the execution phase would involve developers writing code, designers creating visuals, and testers identifying bugs. The project manager would hold regular meetings to track progress, address any technical challenges, and ensure the app's functionality aligns with the initial design. Section 5. Project Monitoring and Controlling. The monitoring and controlling phase runs parallel to the execution phase. It involves tracking the project's progress, comparing it to the plan, and taking corrective actions as needed. This phase aims to ensure the project stays on track, and any deviations from the plan are addressed promptly. Key activities include tracking key performance indicators, or KPIs, managing risks, and controlling changes to the project scope. KPIs provide measurable data points that indicate the project's health, such as budget adherence and task completion rates. Risk management involves identifying potential problems, assessing their impact, and developing mitigation strategies. Change control ensures that any modifications to the project scope are carefully evaluated and approved. In our mobile app example, the project manager would track KPIs like development progress, bug fix rates, and budget utilization. They would also monitor for risks such as technology compatibility issues or delays in third-party integrations. Any changes to the app's features or functionality would be assessed for their impact on the timeline and budget. Section 6. Project closing. The closing phase marks the formal completion of the project. It involves finalizing all project activities, documenting lessons learned, and handing over the project deliverables to the stakeholders. This phase ensures a smooth transition from the project team to the end users or operational teams. Key activities include project documentation, project closure meetings, and post-project reviews. Project documentation captures the project's journey, including its plan, execution, and outcomes. Project closure meetings provide a forum for reviewing the project's successes and challenges. Post-project reviews offer valuable insights for improving future projects by identifying areas for enhanced efficiency and effectiveness. In our mobile app example, the closing phase would involve releasing the app to the app stores, providing user documentation, and conducting a post-launch review. The team would document the development process, lessons learned, and any challenges they faced. This information would be valuable for future app development projects. Section 7. Waterfall Model. Project lifecycle models provide a framework for managing projects from start to finish. One of the most traditional models is the waterfall model, which follows a linear and sequential approach. In this model, each phase is completed before moving on to the next, with no overlap between stages. The waterfall model is suitable for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal changes expected during execution. It's often favored in industries with strict regulatory processes or where predictability is paramount. Examples include construction projects, manufacturing processes, and software development with fixed specifications. For instance, constructing a bridge follows a linear path. First, the design is finalized, then the foundation is laid, followed by building the structure, and finally, the finishing touches are added. Each stage must be completed before moving to the next, reflecting the waterfall model's sequential nature. Section 8. Iterative and incremental models. Iterative and incremental models offer a more flexible approach to project management. They break down a project into smaller cycles or iterations, allowing for adjustments and refinements along the way. Each iteration delivers a working product increment, which is tested and evaluated for feedback. These models are beneficial when requirements are likely to change or evolve. They are well suited for projects involving innovation, research and development, or where user feedback is crucial for shaping the final product. Examples include software development with evolving features, product design with iterative prototyping, and marketing campaigns with ongoing optimization. Consider a software development team using an iterative approach. They might release a basic version of the software with core features in the first iteration. Subsequent iterations would add new features or refine existing ones based on user feedback, resulting in a progressively more complete and refined product. Section 9. Agile Model. The Agile model is a highly iterative and collaborative approach to project management. It emphasizes flexibility, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Agile projects are divided into short sprints, typically lasting 1 to 4 weeks, with each sprint delivering a working product increment. Agile methodologies are well suited for projects with evolving requirements, complex technologies, and a need for rapid response to change. They are commonly used in software development, product design, and marketing, where constant innovation and adaptation are essential. Imagine a software development team using an agile approach. They would work in short sprints, prioritizing tasks based on user value and delivering working software at the end of each sprint. Regular feedback loops and daily stand-up meetings ensure constant communication and alignment, allowing the team to adapt to changing priorities and deliver a product that meets user needs. Section 10. Conclusion. Understanding project phases and lifecycle models is essential for successful project management. They provide a roadmap for navigating the complexities of projects, ensuring they are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required standards. By mastering these concepts, new project managers and students can confidently approach any project, regardless of its size or complexity. Choosing the right life cycle model depends on the project's specific characteristics, such as its requirements, timeline, and risk tolerance. Whether it's the linear approach of the waterfall model, the iterative nature of incremental models, or the agile methodology's adaptability, selecting the most suitable approach sets the stage for project success. By embracing these frameworks, project managers can effectively steer projects towards their goals, delivering value and achieving desired outcomes.